Maths Part First, Standard 10, Unit number 1, Linear Equation in Two Variables, Practice Set 1.3, All Examples. Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jadhav. Today we are going to learn about Maths Part First, Standard 10, Unit number 1, Linear Equation in Two Variables. In this chapter, see the practice set 1.3 examples. See the first example, fill in the blanks with correct number. Example, here the determinant. या ठिकाणी हा निश्चयक दिलेला आहे आणि यातील बरोबर संख्या या ब्लँक्स मध्ये भरायच्या आहेत. Here first multiply these two number 3 and 5. Here 3 and 5 minus 2 into 4. Here the 2 into 4. 5 3 is 15. 15 minus 4 to the 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. The value of this determinant is 7. In this type question, ask in your question paper in the question number 2A in mark 2 and question number 3A in 3 mark. या ठिकाणी या प्रकारचा प्रश्नपत्रिकेमध्ये विद्यार्थी मित्र आपल्याला प्रश्न क्रमांक 2A साठी 2 मार्काला विचारला जातो आणि प्रश्न क्रमांक 3A मध्ये 3 मार्काला विचारला जाऊ शकतो. यामधले जे स्कीम ऑफ मार्किंग आहे गुणधर्म, प्रत्येक जो बॉक्स दिलेला आहे, ब्लँक दिलेली आहे जागा, त्याच्यासाठी अर्धा अर्धा गुण असतो. हा पहिली 5 फिल केलेला आहे ब्लँक मध्ये, त्याच्यासाठी अर्धा. नंतर जी माहिती भरल्या 2, त्याच्यासाठी अर्धा. 15 लिहिले त्याच्यासाठी अर्धा आणि नंतर 7 लिहिलेला आहे याच्यासाठी अर्धा. प्रत्येक बॉक्सेसला अर्धा मार्क असतो आणि अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला 2 मार्कासाठी क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आर आस्क्ड इन क्वेश्चन पेपर इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2A and question number 3A. See the next example, example number 2. Find the values of following determinants. या ठिकाणी खाली दिलेले जे निश्चयक आहेत त्यांच्या किमती काढा. First here the multiplication of first these two number is equal to minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 4 into 1. Here the sign is minus, plus minus minus 4. Here minus 7 to the 14. Here the sum of these two number minus 4 and minus 14 is equal to minus 18. या ठिकाणी वजा 4 आणि वजा 14 ची बेरीज वजाच 18 आहे. हे लक्षात ठेवा. बरेचशा विद्यार्थ्यांची इथे उत्तर चुकतात. वजा वजा अधिक करतात. दिस या प्रकारचा जो गुणधर्म आहे तो आपला गुणाकारामध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन मायनस मायनस इन प्लस. Find the value of next determinant. Here first multiplication in these two number 5 into 0 minus then multiplication of these two number 3 and minus 7 is equal to 5 into 0 is a 0 multiplication. Here the sign is a minus and this sign is a minus, minus minus plus 7 3 is 21. Here the value of this determinants is 0 plus 21 is 21. In this type solve this example of determinants. Next example, find the value of following determinant. Here the first multiplication in these two number 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. Here the numerator and denominator are different. Here the multiplication of numerator 7 1 the 7, 3 2 the 6, 5 3 the 15 upon 3 2 the 6. या ठिकाणी जे छेद आहेत ते छेद समान नाहीत म्हणून या ठिकाणी छेदांचा गुणाकार आणि अंशांचा गुणाकार केलेला आहे. हियर the denominator is same 6, the subtraction of numerator 7 minus 15. Here the 7 minus 15, 15 is a greater number. The 7 is a minus to 15, 15 minus 7 is 8, and the sign is the greater number is a minus 8 upon 6. Here the multiply by same number, 2 4 is 8 and 2 3 is 6. Here the value of this determinant is minus 4 upon 3. This question are asked in March 2020 exam. See the next example number 3. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Here the first equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Second, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. First write down the solution. Write down this equation. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. First find the value of d is equal to, write down the first column, the coefficient of x variable 3 4 and coefficient of y variable minus 4 and 3. Here the first multiplication of these two number 3 and 3, 3 and 3 minus the next two number multiplication 4 into minus 4 is equal to 3 3 is 9. Here the minus minus plus 4 into 4 16. Here the 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. The value of d is equal to 25. Then next find the value of dx. Write down here the first column in constant number 10 and 5 and second column write down this y coefficient minus 4 into 3. Here the first multiplication of 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 10 3 is 30. Here the minus minus is a plus 4 5 is 20. Here the value of dx is 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. The value of dx is 50. Then next find the value of dy. Here the dy is equal to, first column write down the x variable 3 and 4 and next column write down the constant variable 10 and 5. Here first multiplication must be these two number, 3 into 5 and minus 10 into 4. 10 into 4 is equal to, here 5 3s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. Here the 15 minus 40 means 40 minus 15 is equal to 25, and here the sign is the greater number and this is the value of dy. या ठिकाणी काय केलेलं आहे, मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा केली आणि मोठ्या संख्येचं चिन्ह दिलेलं आहे. बाय क्रॅमर्स रूल, बाय क्रॅमर्स rule, here the value of x is equal to dx upon d and value of y is equal to dy upon d. या ठिकाणी सूत्र x बरोबर dx छेद d and y बरोबर dy छेद d. Put the value of this equation here. dx is 50 and d is 25 and y is equal to value of dy is minus 25 upon value of d is 25. Here x is equal to 25 to the 50 and y is equal to 25 upon 25 is equal to minus 1. Here the value of xy answer, here the xy is equal to value of x is 2 and value of y is equal to minus is the solution, is the solution of this given equation. See the next example number 2. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, 6 is equal to 8 minus 5y. Here the solution, first write down this equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c. ही दिलेली समीकरण आहेत ती ax अधिक by बरोबर c या रूपामध्ये लिहिली पाहिजेत. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन राइट डाउन, राइट दी given equation in the form, here ax plus by is equal to c. दिलेली समीकरण आहेत विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो पहिल्यांदा या रूपात लिहिली पाहिजे, तर नंतरच ते उदाहरण क्रॅमर्स पद्धतीने सोडवलं पाहिजे. Here the first equation is write down in this form ax plus by is equal to c. Here the 4x plus 3y minus 4 goes to the right hand side. This is the plus and here is first equation. Second equation 6x minus 5y goes to the left hand side is a plus 5y is equal to 8. This is the second equation. या पद्धतीने समीकरण 1 आणि 2 ax अधिक by is equal to c बरोबर c या पद्धतीने लिहून घेतलेली आहे. Then find first the value of d. d is equal to, here the d, write down in the first column the coefficient of x variable 4 and 6 and next column the coefficient of y variable 3 and 5. Here the first multiplication of these two number 4 and 5 must be first multiplication of these two number. पहिल्यांदा ह्या दोन संख्यांचाच गुणाकार करायचा आहे. Here the 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6, 3 into 6. Here 4 5 are 20 minus 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 is equal to remaining 2. This is the value of d. This is the value of d. Then next, find the value of dx. Find the value of dx is equal to, in a dx, first write down in the first column the constant number 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Then next column write down the coefficient of y variable 3 and 5. या ठिकाणी dx ची किंमत काढत असताना स्थिर संख्या घ्या पहिल्या कॉलम मध्ये आणि नंतरच्या कॉलम मध्ये y चे सहगुणक घ्या. इज इक्वल टू 4 into 5 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8 3 into 8 is equal to 4 5 20 minus 8 3 24. Here the multiplication, 20 is a smaller number and 24 is a greater number. Here the 20 is a minus to 24. Here the 24 minus 20 is a 4, but here the sign is the greater number is a minus, and then the value of dx is equal to minus 4. Dx is equal to minus 4. Now find the value of dy. Dy, here the in the dy, first column is the write down the variable of coefficient of x variable 4 and 6, and second column write down the number of constant 4 and 8. Here the multiplication of first to number 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6 is equal to 8 4 the 32 minus 6 4 the 24. Here the subtraction of these two number is 8. 32 minus 24 is the 8, and the value of dy is equal to 8. Then by Cramer's rule, by Cramer's rule, the value of x, Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d, and y is equal to dy upon d. Put the value of dx and d in this. X is equal to, the value of dx is a minus 4, the value of d is a 2, and y is equal to value of dy 8 and value of d is a 2. Here the x is equal to 2 to the 4, then minus 2, and y is equal to 2 for the 8. Here the answer xy is equal to minus 2 4 is the solution, of a given equation. In this type, solve this example. Solve the following simultaneous equation using the Cramer's rule. Example number 3, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Solution, this equation is the right from ax plus by is equal to c. या ठिकाणी दिलेली समीकरणे आहेत ते आपल्याला ax अधिक by बरोबर c या रूपात आहेत. ते लिहून घेऊया. Here x plus 2y is equal to minus 1, and second 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. First, find the value of d. D is equal to, first write down the first column is the coefficient of x variable, here the 1 and 2, here 2 and here minus 3 is equal to, first must be multiplication these two number 1 and minus 3 minus 2 into 2, 3 1 are 3, here 3 minus 1 is a minus 3 and minus 4, here the minus minus 7, 3 and 4 is a 7. This is the value of d. D is equal to minus 7. Then next, find the value of dx. Write down dx. In the first column, write down the constant number minus 1 and 12. Minus 1 and 12. And then next write down column is the variable y कोइफिशियंट. या ठिकाणी स्थिर संख्या dx मध्ये पहिल्या कॉलम मध्ये स्थिर संख्या लिहिल्या आणि दुसऱ्या कॉलम मध्ये y चे सहगुणक लिहिलेले आहेत. इज इक्वल टू -1 into -3, -1 into -3 minus 2 into 12, 2 into 12. Here 3 into 1, 3 into 1 minus minus plus 3, here the minus 12 into 2, 24. Here 3 minus 24 means 24 minus 3 is a 21 and the sign is a greater number is a -1. या ठिकाणी लहान संख्येतून मोठी संख्या वजा होत नाही, मग मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा केली आणि मोठ्या संख्येचे चिन्ह दिलं. dx, here the dx is equal to -21. Then find next now dy. dy is equal to, write down first column the values of x variable 1 and 2 and second column is the constant number -1 and 12. Then multiplication 1 into 12 minus -1 into 2. Here 12 1s are 12, minus minus plus 2 1s are 2, here the 12 plus 4 is equal to 14. This is the value of dy. dy is equal to 14. By Cramer's rule, here x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Put the value of dx and d in this equation. Y is equal, x is equal to dx is a minus 21 upon minus 7 and y is equal to value of dy is a 14 upon d is a minus 7. Here the x is equal to 7 3s are 21, minus minus here the plus sign and y is equal to 7 2s are 14, here the sign is a minus. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी x ची किंमत 3 आली आणि y ची किंमत वजा 2 आली. Answer here the xy is equal to 3 minus 2 is the solution, of given equations solutions. Let's see the next example number 4. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12, 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Write down the solution here. First write down this equation. Here 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12, and second 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Here the first equation and this is the second equation. First find the value of d. D is equal to, write down first column values x, 6, 8 and values of y variable coefficient, second column minus 4 into minus 3. Here the cross multiplication 6 त्रिकस गुणाकार करा 6 गुणिले वजा 3 minus 4 into 8. Here the 6 3s are 18 means minus 18. Here the plus minus minus. In this minus minus plus 8 4s are 32. Here the two number are different sign, then the subtract smaller number to greater number. Here the 32 minus 18, here the 12 and 2 is a 14. Value of d is a 14 and the greater number sign is a plus, then the value of d is equal to 14. Then next find the value of dx. Dx is equal to, write down in the first column constant number minus 12 and minus 2, and here the coefficient of y variable minus 4 and minus 3. Here the minus 12 and minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus minus plus 12 3 36. Here the minus minus plus is the sign is the minus, 4 to the 8. Here the 36 minus 8 is the 28 and the value of dx is equal to 28. Now find the value of dy. Now find the value of dy. Here dy is equal to, write down in the first column in a variable of coefficient of x variable 6 and 8, and second column write down the constant term, constant number minus 12 and 2. Here 6 into minus 2 minus 8 into minus 12. Here 6 to the minus 12 minus minus plus 12 8 the 96, and here the subtraction of these two number is 84. 6 minus 2 is a 4, 9 minus 1 is a 8, and this is the value of dy. Dy is equal to 84 by Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Put the value in this equation. X is equal to value of dx 28 upon value of d is 14 and value of dy 84 and value of d is equal to 14. Here the x is equal to 14 to the 28 and 14 6 the 84. Therefore answer here xy is equal to 26 is the solution of this given equation. Next, see the example number 5. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Solution. First, write down this to equation. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and second, 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. This is the first equation and this is the second. First, find out the value of d. D is equal to, in the first column, coefficient of m variable 4 and 3 and 6 and 2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3. Here 4 to the 8 minus 6 into 3 minus 18. Here the value of d, 8 minus 18 means 18 minus d is equal to 10 and the sign is the greater number, d is a minus 10. Now find the value of dx. Dx is equal to, first write down the constant term in first column 54 and 28. Then second column 6 and 2. Here the 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. Here the multiplication, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10 minus 6 8s are 48, 8 remaining 4, 6 2s are 12 and 4, here the 68. Here the subtraction, 108 minus 168 means 160 is a greater number, to minus 168 to 108 is the remaining is 60 and the sign is the minus greater number sign, and dx is equal to minus 60. या ठिकाणी मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा करून मोठ्या संख्येचं चिन्ह दिलेलं आहे. Now find the value of dy. dy is equal to, write down first column the coefficient of m variable 4 and 3, 4 and 3, and then second column 54 and 28 is equal to 4 into 28 minus 3 into 54. Here 4 8 is 32, remaining 3, 8 4 2 is 8, 8 and 3, here the 11 minus 3 4 is 12, remaining 1, 3 5 is 15, 15 and 1 is the 16. Here the 112 minus 162, here the 112 is minus 2, 162, 162 मधनं 112 वजा करावे लागले. Here 2 minus 2 is a 0, 6 minus 1 is a 5, 1 minus 1 is a 0, and here the sign is the greater number minus 50 and the value of dy. या ठिकाणी dy ची किंमत आहे मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा केलेली आहे आणि ती किंमत आलेली आहे वजा 50. Here by using the Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Put the value in this equation. X is equal to dx is minus 60 upon value of d is minus 10, and value of dy is minus 50 upon value of d is minus 10. Here the x is equal to 10 6 minus minus plus 6, and y is equal to 10 minus minus plus y is 5. 10 5 is 50, and answer is the xy is equal to 6 5 is the solution. अशा पद्धतीने हे समीकरण आपण क्रॅम्स रूलने सोडवू शकतो. नेक्स्ट सी द एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Solution. Here first write down these two equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and second is the x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 half. Here the equation first, and this is the second. Simplify the second equation, multiplying equation 2 by 2. Multiplying equation 2 by 2. या ठिकाणी ह्या समीकरण 2 चे सोपे रूप करून घेऊया, म्हणजे उदाहरण सोडवून आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेशनला सोपं होईल. हिअर मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2, हिअर द 2 into 2x, हिअर 2 2 cancelling remaining y, and here 2 into 1 half is equal to 1. This is the third equation. Using equation first and third, find the value of d dx, now dy. First find the value of d is equal to, write down the coefficient of x variable 2 2 and coefficient of y variable 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1, and next minus 3 into 2. 2 1 the 2 minus 2, and here 3 into 2 6 minus 6, and here the minus 8. The value of d is a minus 8. Then next find the value of dx. First write down the constant term. Here the constant term of 2 and 1, and next column 3 and minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1. Here the 2 1s are 2 minus 2, and 3 1s are 3. Here the value of dx is equal to minus 5. dx is the value is minus 5. Now find the value of dy. dy is equal to, first column in the value of x variable 2 2 coefficient, and next the constant term of 2 and 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. 2 1s are 2 minus 2 2s are 4. Here the remaining 2 minus 4 minus 2. The value of dy is equal to minus 2. By using the Cramer's rule, by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d, and y is equal to dy upon d. Put the value in this equation. The value of x is equal to dx is equal to minus 5 upon d is minus 8, and value of dy is minus 2, and value of d is minus 8. Here the x is equal to minus plus 5 upon 8, and y is equal to minus plus 2 4 जा 8 is the 1 upon 4, and answer is the xy is equal to 5 upon 8 and 1 upon 4 is the solution of this given equation. Thanks to all of